Hi guys! Kamusta kayo lahat? For today's video, pupunta kami sa Christmas party. Tara, samahan nyo kami.
And I am here with Kellen.
Oh my God.
Oh, you look nice.
Oh, you look nice.
Afternoon. So, today we are going to Christmas party again in Caritas. But it will be happening here in Oslo. Let's go there. See you there actually.
Naglalakad na nga kami papunta sa Caritas office. Siguro mga 5 minutes walk din yung aabutin namin bago kami makarating doon.
So yeah, we're here in Caritas.
Tanong ko nga dyan si Kellen kung excited ba siya sa Christmas party namin ngayon. Time kasi dalawa lang kami pero sana madami na kami ngayon.
In Caritas.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you really have it? No. It's Julie who has it, so she likes when I'm recording everything that I'm saying. But then, I only see you doing a but Oh my good Lord. And she wants to lose weight.
Not today. Not today.
Okay.
3 pizza.
Oh my good Lord. Oh my
Okay. So now Kellen is taking her food. I don't know how many pieces that she wants.
Actually,
Which one? Which one? Oh.
this for
What? I don't want. This I think it's Hawaiian and this one with mushroom. Chicken?
yeah, I think only this one is
This one is vegetarian. Oh.
and chicken.
You sure?
I'll be back in a short.
Okay.
Pangkain at tamang kwentuhan yung ginawa namin today. Actually sa mga ibang au pairs, at least nagkita-kita din kami kahit minsan at nagkamustahan. Actually guys, being an au pair, so open siya sa lahat ng nationality. Ang kagandahan nga dito is 5 hours ka ng Monday to Friday, tsaka magagawa mo din talagang gumala kapag travel.
We are having the dessert now and this dessert.
So I'm gonna try the chocolate. Looks like a chocolate, kinda. I don't know if it's a chocolate. Also chocolate. I'm a chocolate person. That's why I added like 5 kg.
Oh nice. Actually me, I reduced 1 kg.
And I added like and the pink. No, I don't. This one, the chocolate and the pizza.
No pizza, I think.
Chocolate?
Yeah. Yeah, that one. So this is our dessert.
So ayan, nasa dessert na mga kami. So actually napakasarap ng mga dessert. Nakakamiss na nga gumawa ng mga dessert ulit. Actually gumagawa naman ako ng dessert at saka mga bread sa bahay. Hindi ko nga lang talaga nagagawa ng video for now.
So yeah, we're done in our Christmas party.
I can't talk, guys. I'm so full.
Yeah, because we eat a lot there. It's what happened in our Christmas party. So I hope you guys enjoyed our videos and thank you for watching and subscribing with us. Say something, Karen. Something! Oh my God, so yeah. Karen,
What should I say? I said I can't talk because I'm so full. Like, I ate a lot of food, so I can't even talk. I'm exhausted.
So yeah. So bye. Hade.
Mwah.